Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and just letting you guys know, I just longed Bitcoin and I longed Doge. We will take a look in why I did that. Here, you know, it's weekend. Boomer stocks are, I don't know, boomers are always lazy. It's closed during the weekend. Dixie, you know, nice and bearish, opened quite low over here, closed. We want it down here, new lows. For now, it looks like an inverse head and shoulders, head, left, right. You know the things. We had this breakdown over here. Am I worried? No, I am not. That's why I longed. Well, we see this very important area here. A lot of tops on it over here, over here, over here. And in the perfect environment right now, it looks a bit like a double bottom over here, but this one just got a little bit lower than this one. I know we're looking at the Bitmex chart, and they usually wick a little bit lower than spot charts, I would say, spot exchanges. So that is why this is basically an equal low over there. But I'm not worried. I'm not worried. Third tap we make here, we go lower. Ideally, you know, what I would see is something like this. Make sure every rational long has their stop just below 60k gets ran. So that is basically what I'm looking for. But I saw premiums and discounts disappear enough to long it down here. Right now, on a smaller time frame, it looks good. I'm also watching 30-second time frames. We can see premiums and high fundings have been wiped on Bitmex. And that's exactly what we want. We need dumps, you know, just like here. Go with negative over here. That's how we call bottoms, you know. Then we're like, yeah, every bulla is dead. And that's when we long. So Bitcoin, you know, is looking good. Do not stress too much. Do we see other lines? Let us zoom out a little bit. Remove everything. And I am really a guy of trend lines. You guys should know that by now. This is a line you could look at, but also this is one you can look at. I mean, I'm not too worried. I am not too worried. Central bankers, you know, all want inflation even higher. So I do not see an end for the bull market yet. Ethereum. Fundamentally, I heard some stories about very smart people like Kyle Davis and others, and they're saying Ethereum is massively undervalued. Even Arthur Hayes is saying 10k. So yeah, I will look a little bit deeper into Ethereum. Also take a look at the Ethereum BTC chart. For now, I'm looking at something like this. In the making, Ethereum should hold these lows, this area over there, but it's looking all good, you know. Other supports are over here, but I'm looking for a bit longer term, and it will go up. I'm pretty sure of that. 90% of my spot holdings are in Ethereum, so I'm a very big Ethereum bull. For now, I do not see any leverage trades on it. We do see this trend line over here, which is quite steep, you know. And we're getting close to that. Ethereum BTC. Haven't looked at it in a while, but let's take a look, guys. This is on the daily. Very high time frame, as you know. But this is basically the level, you know, like we can see taps on it over here, over here, over here, over here. Yeah, I don't know. You can't really see anything from it. I'm bullish on it. Would see something like this. Maybe a tap like this and go up. This is a very big resistance, and I think this works as a magnet. We will get pulled over here, 0.05. Doge. This is the reason why I just longed it. Over here, this trendline break, but it seems to be a fake out. Well, bad luck, I guess. I will take a closer look into that. pretty soon. Or let's take a look at how we're looking at the 1 minute. The 1 minute looks like a perfect retest of these tops over here. So it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad actually. We just want higher lows, and that's what we're setting. Higher low over here, higher low, and right now a higher low. XRP consolidating. We can drag this line over there. We can add another line over here. And then we're gonna look for trend lines. Do we see any trend lines, guys? Do we see something like this? Not really. Maybe. One over here. I'm just always live charting with you guys. This is what I'm seeing for XRP. I would look for positions over here to exit longs, or enter longs over here, or short at a break of there. Badger looking very good. Badger is undervalued in my opinion. And Badger, I mean, this area over here, you can see it with the naked eye, right? This exact area, tops on it over here, top over there, tops on it over here, you know, like a lot of action at exactly this level, and it's close to $50. So that is very logical. But Badger is making higher lows again, very round, and will go up again from here. All-time highs easily, $100. Litecoin really grinding slowly to the upside compared to Doge and XRP, of course, but it is moving very nicely. Yeah, nothing else to say about it. It's looking perfect, going to $400 for sure. Litecoin, BTC, looking perfectly fine over here as well. There's a level to break for them. This is acting as resistance, and if this one is broken, they will probably break it like this, come back down for a retest, and go for this. That is how charts work, how prices work. Leo is the exchange coin of Bitfinex, and it's looking very well. They opened at $1, had a little dip, and yeah, over here I spotted this breakout, longed it, bam. Over there, you know, missed this one, but I'm spot quite big on Leo as well. Bitfinex is buying 100% back of Leo. If they get the stolen coins back from their Bitfinex hack in 2016, I believe, or I know. Yeah, they will all buy back all the Leos. So Leo has like the best fundamentals. When it comes to coins, it's not being traded a lot. You can see it, not a lot of volume. But yeah, it will basically melt up automatically as long as Bitfinex stays alive. And if you see what Bitfinex has been through, you know those guys have a thing for surviving anything. And that is about it. Bitcoin looking good, you know. We could make another tap to the downside. We had 1, 2, 3. This could be the third leg, you know. Legs to the downside, and fundings and premiums have been reset already, so it's time to bounce back again. Although it is the Saturday, and Saturdays do not have a lot of volume. So that is about it. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you guys want to see. I'm kind of bullish on everything. Yeah, and I think Doge is a buy right now. If you zoom out a little bit, 1 hour, I think they just had their bottom over here, and they're breaking out right now. Yeah, watch out with Doge, by the way. It is hyped way too much. But I mean, yeah, who hates free money? So that is about it. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys again tomorrow.